Alright, our last video was obviously for the Topps Update Hobby Box. We've already done a couple of these hanger boxes, but my wife was so kind as to get me another box again this week, so they're going to break another one. We've got the full set of the regular update cards. What I'm looking most forward to in this one to see is if we get any more of the blue parallels that are exclusive to the Walmart boxes. And of course the Turkey Reds, because I haven't completed those. And then any other potential parallels or specialty cards that aren't part of the base set. So we'll just go ahead and open up the box here, which is very well glued together and notoriously difficult to open. But we're going to open it nonetheless. And once again, I've opened the wrong side first, as I have done every single time I've opened up one of these hanger boxes. Clearly built, these boxes must be built to handle doubles. So that's because it looks like there's definitely enough space in here to hold twice as many cards. So it's got 67. Looks like it could easily be built to hold 134. Well, I think I probably made that comment before. So there's the box out of the way. There's the cards in the wrapper. I'll open up the wrapper now. Alright, and we'll go into the cards. So, first up we've got Greg Garcia, San Diego Padres. Mike Trout, Angels. Austin Pruitt, Houston Astros. Mike Trout All-Star Game, Angels obviously. Magneuris Sierra, Miami Marlins. Cody Bellinger, Los Angeles Dodgers All-Star Game card. Josh Lindblom, Milwaukee Brewers. Pedro Martinez, All-Star Game card, Boston Red Sox. Yasmaro Petit, Oakland Athletics. Chris Sale, Boston Red Sox, active leader card. Josh Fegley, Chicago Cubs. David McKay, Detroit Tigers. Richard Bleer, Baltimore Orioles. Not familiar with him. Diego Castillo, Tampa Bay Rays. Josh Tomlin, Atlanta Braves. Andrew Knizner, St. Louis Cardinals. Time to Party, I've seen this one a few times. Bogarts and Devers celebrate walk-off. Taylor Ward, Angels. Donovan Solano, San Francisco Giants. Cal Ripken Jr., Home Run Derby, 1991, Baltimore Orioles. Kyle Wright, Atlanta Braves. Max Scherzer, Washington Nationals. That's the All-Star Game card. Kevin Ginkel, Arizona Diamondbacks. Aroldis Chapman, active leader card for the New York Yankees. Derek Holland, Pittsburgh Pirates. Anthony Rizzo, Chicago Cubs, All-Star Game card. Tim LaCastro, Arizona Diamondbacks. Gavin Lux, rookie card. This is his rookie debut card. Los Angeles Dodgers. Albert Pujols, Los Angeles Angels. And here we go. We got a numbered card here. So this is card number 971 out of 2020. Antonio Sanzatella. familiar with him. So this will be the gold card. Right, so I'll put that one over here. We've got 2010s, Decade's Best Batters, Christian Yelich. Hard to argue with that. Oh, nice. 35th anniversary card, Mets, Dwight Gooden. Great player. We've got Turkey Reds. We've got Munson. Thurman Munson. Oh, yeah, New York Yankees, of course. Looks like Wade Boggs, Boston Red Sox. Turkey Red. All these ones are here. Mike Messina, Baltimore. Oops. Brinson, Miami. I'm familiar with Brinson. Lewis Brinson. Okay, we've got #1 prospect for Diamondbacks, Dalton Varsho, in that vintage style card. Looks nice. We got here. I think we're back into the base sets. Okay, so I'll make another video in a minute going through those hit cards that we just went through. I just want to get through the set here pretty quickly. Adolis Garcia, Texas Rangers. Zach Greinke, Houston Astros, active leader. Neston Cortez, Seattle Mariners. Adheni Hechavarria, Atlanta Braves. Hope I said that right. Justin Verlander, Houston Astros, active leaders card. I got Todd Frazier of the Texas Rangers. Turn this over. Adolis Garcia, Texas Rangers, inaugural season. A few of those. Logan Morrison, Milwaukee Brewers. Kyle Gibson, Texas Rangers. Robinson Chirinos, Texas Rangers. Drew Butera, Colorado Rockies. Antonio Sanzaletta, Colorado Rockies again. Eric Maya, Kansas City Royals. Alex Blandino of the Reds. Mike King, Yankees. Dustin Garneau of the Astros. We've got here Jordan Alvarez as the rookie card, rookie debut for the Houston Astros. Jose Altuve, All-Star Game, Houston Astros. Alex Avila, Minnesota Twins. That's to make judge at the All-Star Game. That'll be the Home Run Derby for the Yanks. Jordan Montgomery, also for the Yanks. Edwin Encarnacion of the White Sox, active leader card. We got Wade LeBlanc, Baltimore Orioles. Joe Panik, Toronto Blue Jays. Kyle Ryan, Chicago Cubs. Josh Taylor of the Red Sox. Robert Stevenson of the Reds. Sean Poppin for the Twins. Michael Fulmer for the Tigers. And Bo Bichette. Oh, rookie card, nice. Rookie debut card for Bo Bichette. Alright, so that's all the cards in the box. I just wanted to go through that relatively quickly just to get the video up. And in a second here I'll make another video and I'll just go through some of the hits in the box. Alright, see you soon.